Don't be afraid to ask. Everything you have done so far has prepared you for this moment. You have performed your self-assessment, created your roadmap, planned your transformation, and now we're reaching the end. What do you do now? In this lecture, we concentrate on the ask, how you ask someone to take you on for the position you've been working towards. Here, we're going to give you a checklist of things that you want to make sure are done properly. You've invested too much time already to leave anything to chance. Step number 1, know your audience. If you are speaking to someone, make sure your message is put together with that audience in mind. Think about it. How would you react if someone was to contact you, but you don't feel that you're being spoken to? You would most likely wait till they are finished, politely say thank you, and you will offer to contact them sometime. Doesn't sound too promising, does it? Research into your audience and show them that yes, the message is exclusively for them. Step number 2. How do they profit by accepting your request? You need to give them reasons to accept your ask. This means you have to understand the needs of your audience. Here's a hint. If you offer a solution to one of their problems, you're on the right track. Step number 3. Don't forget the call to action. This one sounds like the most obvious one, but why is it neglected so often? Make sure your audience knows exactly what you're looking for. If you're looking for a chance, then ask them to make a decision. Now, you might not want to be so direct, but it's certainly your right to ask when you will receive an answer. This step has everything to do with you, the situation, and your audience, so there is no clear-cut suggestion here. Just make sure they know that you expect an answer to your ask. Closing this lecture, make sure you frame your ask towards your audience. Show them it's in their interest, and don't forget the call to action.